Another Warbird, you got that right. We have a CARF P-47 aircraft with all of the goodies ready to build, and it's gonna be tons of fun. Thanks guys for tuning in. We're unboxing the CARF Composite ARF P-47 aircraft. Very cool scheme on this bird. Let's get unboxing. So this, I'm not gonna spoil the scheme. It's a cool one. We're gonna probably not get started on this one right away because we've got so many other planes that we need to get ready to go for a couple months from now. So, but we've got obviously the P-47, we've got the CARF Corsair over there, which if you're a fan of the channel, you've seen. And I have a feeling later this year we'll be building both of those guys at the same time. So we'll see how things work out with timing. It's gonna be fun. So I think we should open this one up first. The scheme on this is very cool. So typical CARF fashion, everything comes very nicely packaged. This plane also is pre-weathered, which is very cool. Yeah. All right, so let's open up one of these wings first because this will tell you a lot. All right, here we go. Beautiful. Awesome. So there is the left wing, already weathered. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I do really like the silver. That got me thinking for my CARF Corsair. There's a lot of cool silver schemes too. Huh. We'll see. This is pretty slick though. So CARF P-47, I'll bring you guys in to take a peek at this up close. So typical CARF quality stuff. We've got beautiful weathering already done. We've got all of our nomenclature installed on there. Flaps are done already, which is super cool. There, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful. So this is my first time seeing a P-47 up close like this. That is so nice. Good job, CARF. That is amazing. Look at that. So beautiful mounts here for the landing gear. Of course, we're using Electron landing gear, aileron mount there, and it'll be all internal linkages as well too. So very slick, very slick. So typical CARF Warbird fashion, we've got a nice strong root of the wing, two big tubes here joining those wings together. Super cool. So let's put that wing aside. We'll take a look at the other surfaces. Very nice. I do like that, that scheme. So we've got our rudder here, a rudder surface. Pretty straightforward, pin hinged as well too. Or sorry, this is our vertical stab. Our rudder surface sticks off the back. One of our horizontal stabs. Again, nicely done. Nice finishing on this. Looks good. Yeah, nice details. So looks like the actuator is inside the fuselage and we've got a control system there. So that's cool to see. And there's number 2. And we'll pop out the other wing. I think it should be an exact match. I'm not overly familiar with the scheme. So yes, exact match minus the big star. I love those ailerons. What a cool hinging method. That is beautiful. Wow. That is super cool to see. Gorgeous. And that flap system is next level. Wow, that's cool. Again, good job, CARF. You guys did amazing work on this one. All right, so we'll put the wing box away since we don't need that anymore. All right, and it's time to unbox the fuselage and the rest of the bits here. So I'm always surprised at how well Carf packages their aircraft. So here's a shot of everything when you first open the box. We've just got some pieces flopping around there. Fuselage is nicely secured. This is some molded pieces. All right, so I don't think I'm going to take these molded pieces out of the packages. Well, that's like pilot gloves or something like that, so it's a good chance you probably won't even end up using that stuff. That looks like a cockpit tub. Seat. That looks like canopy pieces. We'll open these guys up. All right, so that is canopy glass. We'll leave that wrapped up in the bubble wrap. So these little scale bits and bytes, we're just gonna leave those wrapped up. That wrapped up. That wrapped up. Better to leave these guys wrapped and come back to them when we actually start the build. So some of our other gear doors are here. This looks like our rudder surface. All right, not sure what that is, but we'll leave those wrapped up. Looks like we've got a bowl to eat dinner on. It's not a bowl. I think it's an engine standoff. Something like that. All right, so down on the bottom, we've got our parts bags. We've got all of our hardware here as well. We're not gonna take those out. We're just gonna leave everything in the bags. But nicely marked as well too. So when you're going through most of the Carf builds, you know, when you're working on your cowling, you open your cowl pack as an example, right? So very simple and organized. All right, we've got a wood pack here, a tray, all of our little parts, and of course, manual. So I'm pretty sure that's the scheme right there. Based on that wing, yeah, I think that's it. So in this scheme, I think is called Jackie's Revenge. You can see that right there. All right, so cowl's back here, tails inside the cowl. Our aluminum tubes are down there. Nothing else is loose, so I'm gonna cut the foam on the sides here and the tape, and then we're going to get this fuselage pulled out. All right, guys, so cowl is here. I'm actually really excited to see their paint job on this cowl. Oh, yeah. Nice. That is cool. So a little different than the picture that we showed on the manual there. That is awesome. Very nice, nicely done, Carf. So we're all painted on the inside as well. That's very cool. What a beautiful job they did. That's stellar. Very nice. All right, so I'm gonna pull the fuselage out. We're gonna get it on a stand and then we'll unwrap it on the stand. All right, so we're gonna unwrap the fuselage now and take a look at this. I'm actually excited, really excited to see this thing now that the cowl was a little bit different. So we do have all of our parts in stock already for this aircraft. Of course, it's getting a Moki. Oh, dang. Wow. Very cool. All right, so let's just pull the paper off. Oh man. Is that ever slick? Wow. Gorgeous. That is stellar. Oh man, that is super cool. What an interesting plane. I've never really paid much attention to the P-47. Weird, weird, weird. Look at that, eh? Very cool. So the Corsair, you have that center wing section, the wings plug in. This guy here looks like your wings plug together like the Strega. They get installed, and then that bottom panel, which you can see there's a joint right there and a joint right there, that bottom panel gets installed. Wow. Yeah, super cool. So very, very cool scheme, very nice. Again, good job, Carf. Jackie's Revenge. Love it. Looks outstanding. What a cool scheme. All right, so we definitely need to put this plane together to see some final pictures with the wings on. So I'm gonna spend a bit of time getting the wings put together, get the wings installed, the surfaces installed, just so we can kind of see this thing more together. Yeah, and we'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like with everything put together. All right, so what a super unique plane to put together. Very interesting. Wow. Huh. Very cool. Very interesting setup here. So I don't know if you could put it together. So the bottom cowl or bottom hatch here kind of has a little slide up and down. So I think you may be able to put it together without taking that bottom hatch off. I'm just guessing. And then we've got long bolts and short bolts. Long ones are probably for the front. Yep. Pretty funny looking little plane. This P-47, like, looks like a, I don't know, looks like a fish, like a little tiny whale. The wing is gigantic. The fuselage is so short. Pretty crazy. All right, so there is the wings installed. Let's see if we can flip this over easy enough. Wowzers. Cool. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, what a cool plane. Man, that's gorgeous. I do love these kind of details, just absolutely do it for me when they get the hinging. I'm assuming, I don't know a lot about P-47s, but I'm assuming this would be scale type hinging. And those flaps, oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh, look at that. Markers, 10, 20, 30, 40. Cool. Awesome, so let's put the cowl on as well too. We'll find the bolts for that guy. And that, guys, is the unboxing of the Composite ARF or CARF P-47 aircraft. Jackie's Revenge scheme. This thing is stellar. Really impressed with this. Looking forward to putting this project together. Yeah, very, very cool. Very awesome. It's going to be a great assembly on this project. Again, we've got, I think, all the parts in stock. The owner supplied the Moki and a bunch of the other stuff that comes with it. We've got Electron gear going in here, I believe, so just stellar. It's gonna be cool. So coming up a little bit later in the flying season, maybe kind of mid-summer, we'll see how things pan out, but this thing is gonna be awesome. So thanks guys for tuning in to the unboxing of this aircraft. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to list them down below. Also encourage you to check out our live channel, which is the Lighter Side of RC After Dark. We do live streams here from the shop. It's also where we announce our free giveaways announced on this channel. We do the draws for those items on our After Dark channel. So if you do happen to be on while we're doing a live, we do them on Saturdays every 2 weeks is the normal schedule. And if you happen to be on during the live, you can ask us questions, interact with us. It's tons of fun. I love it. So thanks guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.